Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by finding the real bottleneck. Run Lighthouse or web page test and identify the exact LCP element. Once done, prioritize that visible hero asset, image, video frame, or large text block, because optimizing irrelevant files won't move the needle. Make sure to note TTFB and render blocking CSS/JS2. They explain why the element paints late. Now prepare to change resource loading order and compress, or replace the LCP asset so the browser can render it faster. You must then improve delivery. Preload the identified LCP file so the browser requests it early, and move critical CSS inline or split to avoid render blocking. Once that's set, defer or async non-essential JavaScript and remove unused CSS rules that delay first render. Also convert the hero image to WebP or AVIF, generate responsive src set sizes, and serve via a CDN over HTTP/2 or HTTP/3 for lower latency. These steps finally optimize how the element paints, simplify critical CSS so the browser can style the LCP quickly and prevent layout shifts that delay perceived load. Once done, lazy load off-screen images and preload fonts with font display. Swap to avoid blocking text rendering. Then retest on real devices and on throttled connections. Make sure to clear CDN and browser caches between runs. If LCP still lags, check server TTFB and remove any last render blocking resources. That single correction is often the only way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.